afternoon, everyone. We've fed the lapsed chemist in me this morning. Thank you very much. I've enjoyed listening to what everyone's been up to. But I'm really here to tell you about Isambard-AI, which will be, when fully commissioned, the UK's fastest supercomputer. And we host it in Bristol. And it is operated by the Bristol Centre for Supercomputing, which is part of the university. And Isambard-AI comes in two phases. Phase one is operational right now, and when it came on about a year ago, it was number 128 in the world, and showing its green credentials was second in the so-called Green 500, measuring the energy sustainability of the machine. Over the summer, we will have a 30 times uplift to this, to over 5,000 NVIDIA GPUs, so we're talking an unprecedented amount of compute that's available to the UK, but also to Bristol University. And we've seen loads of good use cases, some of which we've already heard today. So we've heard with large language model fine-tuning, drug discovery, protein design, we've had AlphaFold running, medical imaging as well, all examples of things that we've done. Have a look at the website to find for details. In terms of access, a very common question you get, there's two access routes that applies to University of Bristol researchers for Isambard-AI. First of all, the main allocation of time on the machine comes through the DSIT expression of interest, not through the usual UK RI approach. It's funded differently, so that's worth noting. There's also University of Bristol allocation, which is actually very, very large in comparison to supercomputers that we're used to in the UK. And what I'd like to emphasise is, in terms of user experience, we're trying to democratise supercomputing. So it's not just for the astrophysicists, for the people doing quantum mechanics and molecular dynamics folks. We're trying to be aware that different researchers have different skill sets. So we're trying to be as careful as you can about how we design, how you can work on a system. We're also aware that you already have software designed working on other machines. So we're there to respect your software stack choices, so you bring what you have with you, get it up and running, and get things done as well. And we're acutely aware, particularly in the medical arena, that data sensitivity may be important. We have some users that need to work at government official, loads of users that may have GDPR considerations, and we're just coming to the end of our CAF compliance process, which is the first step of cybersecurity certifications that we want to establish on the platform. Thank you very much.